Hi, I'm Dr. Francis with Injury Care Centers. Today we're going to talk about whiplash. And specifically we're going to talk about whiplash associated with a rear end collision. So a lot of times people often think that you have to be hit really hard to cause whiplash, which is actually a misnomer. So research shows that it only takes 5 to 10 miles per hour to cause significant injury. And at 10 miles per hour, it actually can cause a traumatic brain injury. So we're going to go over the mechanisms of whiplash today. And so the initial phase in whiplash is what's known as the ramp up phase, where the spine actually straightens out. As you're hit from behind, your spine straightens out, and then the car actually accelerates while your body is sitting still. And once that happens, the seat kind of catches you and your head goes into hyperextension. So hyperextension is where the injury on the front of the spine can happen. Now we have a headrest back here, so if the headrest is actually properly positioned, which it should be no more than about 1 inch behind your head to prevent this type of injury. So that can actually injure the anterior portion of the spine. Now, once the car stops and the seatbelt catches you, then your head goes into flexion because it weighs roughly around 14 pounds. So your head goes into your neck goes into hyperflexion, which then can injure the posterior elements of the spine, such as the neck extensors and the interspinous ligament and the PLL. And the problem is that once these structures around the spine are injured, there's a chance that they are not protecting the more delicate structures such as the disc or the spinal cord itself, so those structures may have been injured as well. So remember, you don't have to be in a high impact or high velocity motor vehicle accident to have one of these, and you don't necessarily actually even have to have pain to have injured one of these. Remember, pain is like a check engine light. So once you have pain, we know there's a problem. So if you've been in a car accident, even if you're not experiencing pain right away, give us a call at Injury Care Centers so that we can get you in and find out if you have an injury associated with that accident. Or go to injurycarecenters.net to find out more. Injury care starts here.